Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by verifying ownership and unlocking the phone. This avoids accidental data loss. Once unlocked, make sure Xhide is installed and up to date so settings behave predictably. Open Xhide directly from the app drawer or via Settings Security Xhide to reach the private space. You should see the Xhide main screen with privacy controls. If prompted, enter your Xhide password. Once in, stop, do not remove anything yet, until you follow the proper removal steps below. Now you move into the fingerprint area. This is where registrations are listed. You will need to authenticate with your Xhide password or the device PIN so the app confirms it's you. Once authenticated, tap the fingerprint entry you want removed. There may be multiple entries labeled thumb, index, etc. Choose delete or remove and confirm when asked. Xhide will unregister that biometric. Make sure to wait for the confirmation message before navigating away, and repeat for each fingerprint you wish to remove. Finish by testing. Lock the device and try unlocking with the removed fingerprint, then use your PIN or password to confirm normal access. If the fingerprint still unlocks, reboot the phone and reopen Xhide to recheck the registered list. Lingering cache can delay changes. If problems persist, disable biometric unlock system-wide in Settings Security or contact Infinix support for guided help. Make sure you only request resets for devices you own. Factory reset as last resort after backing up essential data.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.